Hey there, it's Miriam at CES 2019 with the Nubia X. Yes, the full screen smartphone from Nubia. Check it out. 6.2-inch display, 1080p in the front, and in the back you've got another screen here. You can see it kind of like showing a screensaver, and there it is. So you can use the phone anywhere you want, front, back, whatever you like, and of course it's an OLED display that's kind of behind this little mirror finish, so when you turn the screen off it kind of disappears. And there's a couple of cameras up here. Not sure what the exact specs are, but I think there's a 16 and a 24, and a little Nubia logo. It's a pretty good looking device. Here's the front again. The star of the show really is this amazing full display, no notches, very little bezel top and bottom. It's pretty refreshing. So Snapdragon 845, of course, starts at 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, and other options. Yeah, so fingerprint magnet, as you can see, unfortunately. And then let me walk you through the edges a little bit so you can have a look. So on top here, you got an infrared window for remote control with a secondary microphone. On the bottom, you've got the USB Type-C mono speaker and primary microphone. And on the, I guess, it's hard to tell which one's the left side and the right side, but this is the front of the phone. So let's say that on the right-hand side, you got the power lock key and a fingerprint reader embedded on the edge. And then on the other side, the left side, if you look from the front, you got volume rocker and another fingerprint reader, and of course the SIM tray. And so the interesting thing here is that you can use both of the sensors on both sides of the fingerprint sensors to kind of like dual unlock, extra security, and register your fingers with both sides. So it doesn't really matter how you hold the phone, basically. You can unlock it just by touching the fingerprint scanners with your registered fingers. It doesn't matter how you hold it. Now, I didn't register my fingers here, so it's not going to work. But you get a feel for it, and that's basically the Nubia X here at CES 2019. Very interesting phone, very shiny, very fingerprint magnety. So there you go. All right, more from CES 2019. Stay tuned, and more importantly, remember, like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and tell your friends. And all these videos I'm making are complements to the Mobile Tech Podcast, since this is the Mobile Tech Podcast channel. And you should subscribe to the show at mobiletechpodcast.com. So I'll catch you there pretty soon. Cheers, everybody.